I was working for a company for 17 years. And after 17 years, I was laid off. 17 years is a long, long time. So you feel lost. You feel that you don't have any skill, that you're not valuable. And I found myself being unemployed. I started looking for a job and sending resumes, applied online. And most of the job descriptions were asking for be proficient on Microsoft, Excel, even bookkeeping. And I was not familiar with any of those applications. Through the unemployment office, I was working with a career coach, and that's how I found out that you can take classes if you qualify for, even for free. Money is there, the grant is there, it is true, and it's available. It was amazing, I feel that, finally I had the opportunity to do something different and do something for me, to learn something new. And one of the school that they had on the list was Access Computer Training. When I was learning Excel, at my previous job, we used to open a spreadsheet and type in there like inventory. And then when in class, we learn about the formulas and how you can create inventory using Excel and other formulas. I was, oh wow, I wish I would have known that back then. And another part that I really like about the class, we were a small class. We made friendship. We have story time, but we have fun time too. So that is very memorable. And I always remember that, and until now I hold a few friends from there. Getting those skills was very important for me to obtain the job that I was looking for. Having that software skill have made me a better professional. The opportunities are there, either learn Microsoft Office or other training that they offer, not only to somebody that is completely new or to brush off the skill. Some of the programs are 3.5 months, but it's intense. It's something that you learn it, take it with you, put it in practice. I started with Access Computer Training as an employee back in 2017, and I'm still here, so happy to be here. And it's never late to learn something new, never late to move on in life, and not being afraid is one of the things that I have learned and shared with the student. Don't be afraid. Try, give it a try.
If you want to find out more about Access Computer Training, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.